Today I want to show you how to go ahead and set up your grid and your paper for the drawing that's posted to your stream for the grid and value drawing reference of this living room. Your image is going to be 5x8 on a 9x12 sheet of paper. As I'm doing this and you're watching, feel free to pause this video as you need in order to finish setting this up. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with marking 2 inches from the right and then 2 inches from the left, and then marking another set of 2 inches left and right, and then we're going to connect our lines. And just like with the practice one at the beginning of last week, we want to make the lines just a little bit darker. Okay. So that gives us our 8 inches across. As you can see, it's 8 inches right across. Okay. And now we need to do our 5 inches. So we're going to mark 1.5 inches in. So 1.5 inches, and 1.5 inches in from this side. Once again, 1.5 inches in, and then 1.5 inches in on that side. And then we're going to connect the two. So this now will define our drawing surface. So that'll be the size that you'll be drawing on. So 8x5, and this image on the PDF is an 8x5 image. Each one of these squares in here, I know it's a little bit hard to see, but each one of these squares is 1 inch, and we're going to do the same thing over here onto this paper. We're going to transfer it over to be 1 inch. So take my ruler, I'm going to mark every inch. So on the top, every inch on the bottom. And I'm going to connect my lines. Once again, trying to make these a little bit darker. And then mark every inch. This way. Mark every inch this way. Once again, I'm going to connect my lines. And it gives me nice straight lines to use as my guide. And just like before, it'll be a little bit harder to see, but we turn our paper over and you can just barely see it, but the grid lines show through the back of the page, so you should be able to go ahead and start your drawing. So what I see in this square, I'm going to draw in this square here, and so forth, and work my way through. So I'm just going to take about a minute, if that, just kind of get this started for you. I like to start kind of roughing things in, but then I'll go back with a ruler and make my line straight. Okay?